Dunlop Plumbing and Heating. Can you please hold?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Dunlop Plumbing and Heating, this is Shelley. How can I help you?
Hello.
Hi, can I help you?
My name is Richard Roma.
Okay, this is their after hours. How can I help you?
I have a problem.
Okay, I can page my emergency on-call. What's your first name?
This is Richard Roma with Premier Properties.
Okay, can you spell your last name, please?
Richard Roma.
I need you to spell your last name, please.
No. Who is this?
This is Dunlap Plumbing and Heating, sir. I'm the after-hours on-site dispatch for emergencies.
Who is this?
Want help? I have to get some information from you.
Wait a minute. This is me. Richard Roma.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't know who you are. This is their after-hours.
You just cost me $6,000. $6,000. Hello.
Do you want me to page the emergency on-call, sir?
Yes. That's right.
I'm going to need you to spell your last name for me.
I have a problem. I don't know.
Okay, what's your phone number with area code first?
Yes.
What is your phone number, sir? If you cannot give me any information, I cannot page my on-call and I'll have to disconnect this call.
I don't know. No.
You don't know your phone number?
Yes.
I'm disconnecting this call now, sir. If you cannot give me the
No.
phone number and your address.
No. Now, I want to talk to you because you're obviously upset.
What is your phone number, sir?
You got something on your mind. What is it? Hello? Did you hear what I said?